let's play a quick track here. Something that is something that we know, most of us know.
Journey, your route is laid out plain. Going where the sun shines every day. No more heartache, no more pain.
So that's with the calibration on. We're gonna turn it off here.
Don't pack those bags too
So
full,
that's
my
off.
friend. Make sure you're traveling light. But take enough of my love with you.
We're gonna turn it back on.
Warm at night.
And so with that is that you notice that the stage starts to focus. The bass is a lot more responsive.
I feel like the mid area really just kind of tightens up.
Yes, yeah, and the low end response as well, because we ultimately compensated for that room mode that we had in that low frequency.
Long after you're gone.
Very cool. So they can tinker, they can turn it on and turn it off, and play around with the calibration as much as they want to.
So we do have a little bit of a refinement wheel in there as well through the setting feature, where we can go in, we can do our adjustment, and we give you a window of optimal corrections. In this case, of course, we can obviously overcompensate for it or even undercompensate depending where we're at. But
whoa.
But with this is that we do give you roughly a 10 percentile
window,
option,
little
right?
window. Got it.
And the nice thing is just like we showed you earlier, is that we can go in here and we can modify the calibration.
Sure.
So if we want a little bit more low end bass, we can go back through the steps and modify the frequencies that we want. Or if maybe we find that it's not as focused as that we wish, we can set those tonal bars left and right.
Different,
as well.
yeah. All right, let's listen to some more music. I like it. What are we doing?
It's tracks. It'll level up in 3 different stages, so it will start adding in 3 different stages here. So.
Lying in my bed, I hear the clock tick and think of you, caught up in circles. Confusion is nothing new. Flashback, warm nights, almost left behind. Suitcase of memories. Time after, sometimes you picture me. I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me. I can't hear what you have said. And you say, go slow. I fall behind. The second hand unwinds. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I will be waiting. After my picture fades and darkness has turned to gray, watching through windows, you want
I mean, the vocal's beautiful. Imaging is great. And then that third step, once the actual drums came in, wow. 4 6s, huh? Well, actually 8.
Well, technically 8. Yeah, 8 6s forwarded.
6.5. You said
6.5. Yes, yeah.
That was a pretty good presentation. Would you say this was good for a medium size to large size room, or like just a medium-ish? Because this seems like this is a small space for these two.
And I mean, the reality is that we started with this size, kind of following our traditional floor standing platforms. Of course, we make a variety of sizes based on room size, and this is really our sweet spot. So this is really comparable to a Canton number 2, a Silver number 2, maybe a Scalo or a Maestro in the Utopia line.
Right.
So this is really where more of our traditional side. So in that case, yes, we have the ability to play in a little bit smaller area, but of course, medium to large.
Because with all the marketing materials I saw and all that, I was like, man, these things must be big. And when I walked in, I was just like, oh, these are shorties. Well, what are they, like 4 feet tall?
Yeah, we're half an inch shy of 4 feet.
Yeah.
On these units, but they're no lightweights. They weigh in at 141 pounds each.
Yeah.
Which
I mean, I would, with all the amplification
right.
and everything in there, I would imagine. Yeah.
We do have casters that allow you to unbox them very easily, position them, which is, of course, we want to have that that simplexity.
Sure, yeah.
Feature set.
I love that word, by the way. After you said that,
it's a fantastic word. I don't think it's a real word, but it works really well for
you guys.
What
Yeah,
we're doing
yeah,
here.
exactly.
And of course, we want this to be a very easy installation. So we offer a few different ways to actually set up the system or wire the system. The simplest form is that you unbox them, plug them into electrical outlets through the Focal name app, tie them onto the Wi-Fi, and the primary will then communicate with the secondary through our proprietary ultra wideband technology, giving us a 2496 resolution.
Okay.
You live all your days according to his way. Oh, Mary, never show your true face, pretending high grade. Oh, Mary, what good is your crown with your heart on the ground? Oh, Mary, oh, God save the Queen with the throne made of stone. Long live the Queen, with a life not her own. You pray for warmth, it gets colder. And when you feel weak, the king gets older. What good is your crown with your heart on the ground?
They need to play that water sound again.
Oh, Mary.
That was really cool.
Oh, God save the Queen.
There it was. Oh wow.
With the throne made of stone.
The soundstage is really huge. I close my eyes and there's that panning thing, that tick 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 thing, and it feels like it's coming out to like here.
Right.
And I open my eyes, I'm like, and then it's just like it's right there. But when I close my eyes, man,
They don't even exist in the room. The room is so much larger.
It does. They do give that effect. That's pretty cool. All right, let's kick it up with something. Here. Let's do Doing It Right, Daft Punk. Since I mean this is this will carry the French theme along.
Of course. Let's.
Everybody will be dancing and be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and be feeling alright. Everybody will be dancing tonight, doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling it right. Everybody will be dancing and be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling alright. Everybody will be dancing tonight, doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling it right.
Here's the low one.
Dancing and be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling alright. Everybody will be
Didn't
dancing.
see that coming, did you?
Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling it right. Everybody will be dancing and be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling alright. Everybody will be dancing tonight, doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling it right. Everybody will be dancing and be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling alright. Everybody will be dancing tonight, doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling it right. Everybody will be dancing and be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling alright. Everybody will be dancing tonight, doing it right.
Alright, yeah, that's I don't need to hear anymore. I love the song and I'll sing along, but we don't have much time. 4 6.5s on each. We're getting that low.
Yeah.
That was really nice.
The official frequency range on this is 27 hertz to 40k.
27, huh?
That's the official.
That's the official. All right. That was good. That was one of the things I need to hear. Let's try okay, oldie but a newie.
Yeah.
Is that like an innie but an outie?
Yes, that's exactly it. So you know the song.
Who's playing this? Is this John?
This is John Batiste.
Batiste, yeah, that's his name. This guy's amazing. Piano
This
player.
is Beethoven Blues. Is the album. Because piano is so hard to represent or reproduce. The fact you could hear him pushing the pedals.
Yeah, no, I can hear it. I'm a classically trained pianist, so I know all that. I could hear it, and like the way they mic'd it up, you can actually hear his like rings hitting on certain, or it's either his ring or his fingernails, depending on where he's moving. It's great recording. Oh, I gotta listen to that. I've seen so many clips of him on TikTok lately, doing all this stuff. I was like, oh man. John Baptiste or Batiste?
Uh,
Batiste.
Batiste.
Batiste, yeah.